Okay, so I'm having multiple profiles, Google profiles. So this is one of them. Mr. K. Vashar, I have logged in using my email ID from Gmail. Obviously, most of my email account is with the Gmail. This is another. I have opened Upworks as a freelancer, and then I was doing some research. I have Gmail account open for this particular inbox. Um, then I have another browser instance. I was doing something here. I have another browser here. I have some Google site. Google site. I'm editing. Exploring. Then I have some YouTube work, and then I thought every day I'm closing the tabs and closing the multiple instances of the Google Chrome browser, and every day I have to kind of manage what kind of tabs where I was working. Most of them actually lost in the flow. So I was searching for something, memorable, manageable, but it was kind of difficult because many uh, extensions like this one, session body, they manage session tab sessions, but not really the instances of a browser or even multiple browser. Then I came across this particular thing, um, most login, yeah, this one. So I came from um, this pain point that managing tab into groups, like you saw, there is a group option, add tab to group. So you can mm, create like this, for example, A, and you see a group is created, and then I can add this tab into that A. I can actually multiple tab I can add into this group. This is working fine. I mean, with manageable tabs, but how do I manage multiple browsers? I have so many browser profiles. I want to manage them in a better way. I want to close them all and open from a single place, and everything whatever it was open before I close the browser, before I shut down my laptop, I want to begin from the same spot, begin from the same work that I was doing previously. It was getting very difficult and out of hand. And then I came for this most login. And I'm exploring it still, but I think this is what I need actually. I have logged in, I installed this application, most login. I've downloaded it. So this is kind of application, desktop application. And so far I have this many profiles. So when you install, initially you will have three what is called profile, default profile created, but nothing much actually. You have to log in. So now I want to show you how it's working. You see, one uh, is the eye symbol show. So if I click this one, um, it will show that browser. It's not showing, or is it open already? Let me see. Yes, it is already open. So if I close this one, let me even close this one. So yeah, so everything is now closed. So this play button indicates that I can open the browser from here, and the details are like the operating system of this browser is Windows. This is Linux. Um, this is Mac. This is Windows. So what I have done, I have created the profile. One more thing, this most login has two kind of thing, um, membership, I would say. One is profile, another is cloud phone. So this is kind of Pioneer version, completely free. I guess the cloud phones are charged minimally. They have some charges, so you have to look into this. But I think everything can be done through these profiles because it's a free and it's a unlimited options are there. So if I create from here, you can give a name, select what kind of folder you want to create. Social media means Facebook and Twitter and those kind of things. You can select this one, and for e-commerce app, you can use this, and I use this one for normal browsing. And then you can give a title, anything, and then select the operating system: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, or Android. And then from here, you can select the Chrome browser version. So this is for Chrome, okay. Quick generate random fingerprint, okay. And then you can confirm. Later on, when you browse like this, I have browsed, right? So this will open another, instance of the browser. So this one tab always will show up with the IP address and the location you are browsing from. And the next tab, it was last time I opened, last time I log in, that one. So you can, obviously this tab you don't need, you can close it. And then remaining how many 10 or 15 tabs you have open, everything will be there for you. Let's say I open another tab. I want to open Amazon.com. So this is open, right? And I want to see this. I want to see open another X.com, for example. X. So this is Twitter. X account, social media. So one is e-commerce and then another Google store. Maybe I want to open this one. Let me Gmail, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so I have opened Google. This is my account. Khairul.basar@gmail.com. Gmail, one is Amazon X. Now I want to close this one. Okay, another empty tab I just opened just to see what's happening. I close this. Okay, everything closed. Now I reopen this profile again. Open, and you see the magic happening right before your eyes. It's open in my different tab. Okay, so you see this tab again is open by default. You can close again, but other tabs, you see whatever you have opened previously, they're there already, even though it's refreshing, updating, that's fine, because that's what you would like to do next time you kind of open your browser. You want to start from there. So but the new tab, last time I opened, that didn't open because it was unsaved, right? So I think that's understandable, unexpected behavior. So this is pretty much what I wanted and I needed badly, and I'm going to use it for now. This is 5th October to 2025. So going forward, I would like to use this one. Of course, I'm learning a lot of things here. So this is my another profile. I have clicked play button, so it's opening my instance. So this is again your default tab. It's opening and close it. So other two tabs that previously I opened, and that those are updating. So this is pretty much it. Most login. This is my, I would say, game changer for me. And this app, I seem like um, can be used for testing various browsers, version of the browser, different version and different platform. Because when you see you create, you have option to select the operating system. That means the behavior of this browser version you can actually test on this different platform. This is awesome. Okay, see you. I hope I can continue this recording for the next session about the most login.